The men in my dad's side of the family all passed from their first and last heart attack. That was kind of like the lore.
There was relatively early on knowledge that we needed to start taking this seriously and realizing that this was potentially a generational disease that had been affecting our family for a long time.
When Tom got his diagnosis and got the surgery and it saved his life, that was a moment where we realized that the straight line from the knowledge we gained from what happened to our dad to Tom's life being saved was that was it. That was the difference.
Also having the gift of being able to see our uncle Tommy, who's still alive almost 18 years after his operation. He is living proof that you got to get in and get tested and to not fear the unknown. It's no longer unknown. Now we know what it is, and we're taking steps to protect ourselves and protect future generations and other people out there.
The most dangerous thing is to be not aware of it. So people, when they know, can step up their screening for it and absolutely be prepared for it, because it snuck up on our family.
All it takes is getting over that little fear of being comfortable and uncomfortable in the not knowing and stepping into the knowledge, knowing that it could literally save your life. And at the end of the day, that's the better option.